Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Consider this pyramid of figures. The circles on the upper rows are combinations of the circles on the bottom rows. Identify the best logical fit for the given figures. Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay, first things first, we need to make sure that we understand the problem or the given carefully. It's given here that the circles on the upper rows, which includes the item that we're looking for, are combinations of these bottom rows. Okay? So when we go up, we combine all of them. And at the same time, pag binaliktad natin, it means that yung nasa baba ay mga pieces or broken pieces ng nung nasa taas. So pag meron tayong ganito, usually yung ginagawa ko dito is we're going to use only the bottom row. Now, pwede naman gamitin yung second row kasi nga they are just combinations of the bottom row, but it's easier for me to really look into the answer if yung bottom row ang gagamitin ko. Pardon. I need to make use of a circle here, but it seems like I cannot come up with a good circle. So, pardon me if hindi siya ganun ka-circle, okay? Sige, i-combine natin yung nasa baba first with this. So, you have a horizontal line in the middle and an arc until here. Okay, with that. Okay, that's the first first item. So, check na po yan. Yung second natin is ganito. Sa kabila naman yung may line pa rin sa gitna, so it follows the same. And sa kabila yung ating curve. And we have here a line until there. These are the combination of two, which is ito nga. Ito po yung combination ng dalawa. Now, before natin i-combine yung pangatlo, we can automatically remove some options here. We're talking about B and C by cancellation po. Para instead of apat, dalawa na lang yung gagamitin natin. Okay? We have 50% chance instead of 25% chance of getting the answer right. Bakit po tinanggal ito? Kasi nga po, wala pong arc dito na meron naman doon sa combination at sa kabila rin. Okay? So what we need to do now is to combine the last. So we have a line here and we have an arc at the top. Okay. So ito po yung combination ng tatlo. Now, which of the two is the best fit? A or D? Now, sometimes pag nagmamadali tayo, di natin makikita yung differences nila. But basically, you look at the middlemost or the center. We have here a shaded dot. Dito wala. When you look at your figure, wala namang shaded dot dyan. So, we remove this and definitely, our final answer is letter D. Okay? So, ito po yung combination na dapat nasa taas. And this is also the result kung i-combine nyo yung second level. Kasi nga, the straight line here will complete this. This arc there will complete that. It will follow this without the dot here in the middle. So, ito po yung tamang sagot dito sa question mark sa tanong na ito. Once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!